Welcome to this demo of Nakisa Strategic Workforce Planning. Today we'll walk through how SWP can guide a workforce restructuring decision from baseline analysis all the way to talent retention. Strategic workforce planning is built on the Nakisa Decision Intelligence platform. We can begin by opening the interface and asking NDI for a complete picture of our current workforce: headcount, FTE, cost, worker type, and location. Instantly, we see workforce cost broken down by job family and worker type, showing exactly where our spend is concentrated between employees and contingent workers. The onshore versus offshore split reveals a significant cost gap, a key lever for any restructuring conversation. And here's the full workforce table: job family, worker type, and location, all in one view. This is our baseline. The platform summarizes the key findings, giving us a clear, data-backed starting point before any decisions are made. Now we look ahead. We ask to forecast our workforce needs over the next 24 months, applying real-world assumptions: attrition, retirements, contract expirations, and targeted growth in revenue-generating functions. The result is a clean projection table, current headcount alongside Year 1 and Year 2 forecasts by department and job family. Visualized as a chart, the demand trends become immediately clear: where we're growing and where we're shrinking. With our demand picture set, we move into scenario planning, requesting to model a 10% cost reduction, prioritizing automation-exposed and non-revenue generating teams. The restructuring scenario is generated instantly, showing current versus future headcount for every impacted department. Zooming in, we see the full detail, including AI exposure ratings, current costs, and projected costs under the new scenario. The savings breakdown by team makes the business case visual and immediate. This is what a 10% reduction actually looks like across the organization. With this, we can take that AI exposure data one step further, asking the system to identify where automation has the greatest potential and what that actually means in headcount terms. The chart shows FTE savings potential by function, a clear view of where automation can do the heavy lifting. The full table also breaks down for each role which activities or tasks can be automated to enable this optimization. Everything is broken down in detail, giving leadership the analysis they need to make automation part of the restructuring strategy. Now we turn to the real cost of restructuring. We ask to calculate the full severance exposure, tenure bands, notice periods, and contractor termination fees. The table shows us the true net savings after every severance cost is factored in by job family and location. The chart makes it easy to compare net savings across teams, so leadership can prioritize where restructuring delivers the strongest return. Finally, and this is where SWP goes beyond cost cutting, we ask it to match top talent from the affected population to open roles across the organization. The result is a dynamic talent match list: competencies, skills, performance, location, and match score, all in one place. From understanding where we are today, to forecasting where we're headed, to modeling what needs to change, to calculating the real cost of that change, to making sure we retain the right people along the way. Nakisa Strategic Workforce Planning turns one of the hardest decisions in business into a clear, confident, data-driven story.